Hi guys, today we're going to talk about suffixes and learn a little bit more about what to do to our base words. First, what is a suffix? A suffix is letters that are added on to the end of a base word which change the meaning of that base word. Depending on the suffix, the base word will change meanings. For example, ER, EST, ED, and ING are all suffixes that we would add on to base words. However, when adding on a suffix, you have to make sure you follow the different rules in order to make sure your base word is ready. The first rule is the 1-1-1 doubling rule. When a word has one syllable, one short vowel, and one final consonant, you have to double the final consonant before adding on the suffix. For example, the word drop has one syllable, one short vowel, and one final consonant. So you have to double the P before adding on that ED. The next rule is the E-drop rule. When you're adding a vowel suffix and your base word ends with an E, you need to drop it before adding on that suffix. For example, make becomes making, or rake becomes raked. You only use this rule when there is an E at the end of the word. The next rule to follow is just do nothing. When your word does not require E-drop or 1-1 doubling, you just add the suffix on. For example, the word drink becomes drinking. It doesn't end with an E, so it doesn't follow that rule, and there are two final consonants. So you would not use 1-1-1 doubling. This week we're learning more about ER and EST. ER can be added to many adjectives to compare two things. For example, John is taller than Bill. EST can be added to many adjectives to compare three or more things. And remember, an adjective is a describing word. For example, John is the tallest student in the class because you're comparing John to more than just two things. Don't forget, when you are adding ER and EST, you must pick one of the three rules to do to the base word since they are vowel suffixes. What would we want to do if we added EST to the word big? Think about it. Would we want to use 1-1-1 doubling, E-drop, or would we want to use do nothing and just add on the suffix? Think about it. I hope you said the 1-1-1 doubling rule. Big was a one syllable, one short vowel, and one final consonant, so we have to double the final consonant. And the word biggest is comparing something to more than two things. Hope you learned something. Now you need to go on and complete the quiz and game. Enjoy!